guys, it's American Girl Starable, and you're on the set of Just a Detective. As you can see, I have to make a suitcase for my doll. So as you can see, we're trying to get ready for the set. So I have to show you what's inside this kit for me to make that bag, aka suitcase. So I'll show you what's inside this kit, so I can make it, and then I can start filming. So, okay, 1 minute, let me open this with 2 hands. Okay, so I got it open. So inside, I have these glitter stickers. This to make the belt for this bag because there's different types, ways, and tabs. Some bag patterns. Some more bag patterns. Some ribbon and some gems. Some more bag patterns. Got some more here. I like that. Have some bag patterns here. Some more ID sheets, so if you want to recognize your doll, here. You have 2 of these. And glue and dots. So this is what you have in the kit. Thanks. Bye. Oh.